Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants and Friday night cocktails.
You almost forgot.
I did.
That's bad.
Yeah.
So
That's all right.
tonight, today, right now, we are making an old fashioned, but with winter approaching, I thought it would be quite apropos to make kind of a fall old fashioned, a harvest old fashioned, if you will. So yeah, so we're gonna still use just bourbon as the base. We're gonna be using Eagle Rare. We're gonna do a little bit of cherry herring, which is a cherry liqueur. This is probably most well known in a cocktail. It's called a Jungle Bird. It's kind of a tiki tropical drink, but we're gonna use that. And then I made an infused simple syrup that is infused with cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. So it's like Thanksgiving in your mouth.
Okay. So what's different? What makes this? What's substituted? The infused simple syrup? Is that the only thing that's different?
Well, that, and you would never in an old fashioned, you wouldn't use a cherry liqueur.
Oh.
You would, so it would basically just be bourbon, bitters, and a plain simple syrup.
Oh, okay.
So,
right.
So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to start out, as always, we're going to
make two.
So we're going to do, but I'll call out the ratios for one, just 2 ounces of bourbon.
Wow.
And then we have
It's going to be early to bed.
a quarter ounce of our cherry herring. So for 2 of them, I'm doing a half. And then we
Your Demerara.
also, I used a Demerara, a quarter ounce of this as well. So we're gonna do, again, a half ounce for 2. Kind of did this backwards. You're usually supposed to start with the bitters, but that's okay. And then we're just gonna use some Angostura bitters in there. And I'm gonna get my ice to get this stirred up. While I am doing that, we've got our cubes, our rocks already in the glasses.
Little monogrammed ones.
Yeah, kind of cute.
Very cute. JAW. Not to give it away.
Customized cubes.
Yeah. Christmas gift, birthday gift, Father's gift.
Yeah, I think they were
something.
I can't remember what they were, but they were a gift.
Oh.
Yeah, you just got ice on you. It's a dangerous kitchen in here.
A lot of food and ice throwing.
Yes, but that's okay.
Yeah.
It's all in good fun. So we're just gonna stir that about 30 to 45 seconds to kind of get it down to temp, get a little dilution going. That is probably sufficient. That's gonna fall. Then I'll get yelled at on camera. I'm gonna bring those in. One for you, and one for me. Or something like that.
Okay.
And then we're just gonna finish it off with a little bit of an orange peel, give it a little bit of a citrus pop.
You can express it.
Yep, just like that with that sound effect. So we'll get that and that, and we are ready for our fall old fashioned. See, obviously the citrus.
Yeah, it's very citrus forward.
Yeah, I mean that's always the case when you express it.
Oh, that's good. You get the cinnamon immediately.
Yeah, wow.
It's almost like cold cider.
That's really yummy.
This is good.
Yeah, I
love fall.
Yes.
It's my favorite season.
Yeah, probably. I don't know.
I love all the seasons, but fall's always my favorite. Always.
Yeah, that's really tasty. You've got the heat from the bourbon. The cherry is kind of in the background. You don't really get a ton of it, But it's there. But really, the star of the show is that infused
Simple syrup.
sugar water with the cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. That's tasty.
That's good.
Yeah,
Good
very,
job.
very good. Thank
Taking
you.
a classic and making it
Our own.
Yes.
Yeah, that's always. I mean, that's why you do this. It's fun to kind of experiment. And this.
Yeah. And this was a winning experiment.
Yes, yes. I'm sure there'll be train wrecks coming.
Yeah.
And we'll film those too. So,
Yeah.
thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this. When you are all done for the week, put your feet up, have your cocktail of choice. Let us know if you want us to make a drink, and we'll put it in the comments below and we'll make it.
Be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants and a cocktail on Friday.
See ya. Thanks for watching.